How to customize control center on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of how you can customize control center. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one. And now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you gotta do is to head over to the settings app, and here what you have to do is to scroll a little bit down. You have to scroll. Okay, so here it's right after general, we have control center. Tap on control center, and from here you can customize control center as you wish, as you like. So if you want to remove, here's this red icon. This is red circle with a line in the middle. If you tap this, if you click on it, it will remove some of these things. So if I tap on this, will remove, actually it will show you this button, remove. If you tap on the remove button, it will remove the this control, I guess. So if you want to add more controls, you just need to go here and here. Let's say I like to add stopwatch. Tap on the plus, and here you'll see the stopwatch. Right, it's right over here. And if you want to add more, just tap on the plus, and blah 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 blah. Now we have all of them here. If now I swipe down, you can see all the controls here. Look how many there are. So now maybe you like to see this control, like the wallet one, as you can see is right at the bottom. You like to move that maybe third column or fourth. Just hold this, hold the wallet, this wallet, but from the three dots, three lines at the right side, and hold them, and now move it, and you can move it right at the top. So now you'll see we have the wallet right at the top, right next to photos, right next to camera, as you can see is right over here. And that's how you play with control deck, how you customize control center. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, I really appreciate that. And guys, now I'll see you in the next video. Take care.